Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked awesome 1969 Pontiac Firebird convertible. Awesome car, man. Factory color combination. Doggone it, Winward blue metallic. It's got the all-new black hand-stitched deluxe interior, new black convertible top. Beautiful car, man. Great sounding for a 400 cubic inch engine underneath the hood. It's got 280 miles on a complete rotisserie restoration. Beautifully done. They've lowered the whole car down around 2 inches all the way around. It's got adjustable coil-overs on the front. Those are brand new 18-inch chrome American Racing Torque Thrust 2 wheels. Brand new rubber all the way around it. Beautiful car. It's got air, brand new vintage AC. Beautiful car. Rock solid Georgia body. This is a good looking body style, guys. Brand new front bumper there. It's just a little, that'll clean off, guys. I didn't see a whole lot you could really nitpick on the car. Again, it is brand spanking new. Gorgeous paint. I wish we had some sunshine on it. Glass is nice. You can see that dash is nice in there. Brand new power convertible top. It's got the plastic rear window. Oh, that's just a couple little touch-up marks there. If you can even see those. They're small. Rear deck spoiler. Boy, this car is awesome, man. Wicked cool car. New rear bumper. You can see it's got the stainless tips. Car's nice and straight down the sides. Again, all new wheels, all new tires. Car's just as clean on the bottom as it is on the top. Boy, it's a good looking car. Nope, again, just that here. Same thing. Oh, I bet you that's from the rag when they wiped it down. Those are chrome torque thrust 2s. Front disc brakes. Dual chrome mirrors. Good sounding 400, guys. Not a matching numbers car. That's a early to mid 70s 400. It's got a mild low cam in it, Edelbrock 4-barrel, Edelbrock Performer aluminum intake. It's got a nice set of ceramic coated headers, code 16 heads, power steering, power front disc brakes, and vintage air conditioning. It's got a Retrosounds HEI distributor in it. Aluminum radiator with a factory shroud. That is a pretty car. 400 turbohydramatic trans. I think I said it's got adjustable coil-overs on the front. Pretty car. Yeah, they must use it. That's just something there. It's coming off. I don't know what it is. The little rag must have been shed when they were wiping it down. Nice, nice car. Not easy to find these things, man. A lot of Camaros out there. Nice Firebirds are tough to come by. See all new window fuzzies, new door handles. Just a little wax on there, guys. It's got the deluxe door pads, new door rubbers. I just ordered new carpet, new sill plates. I got new carpeted mats coming for it. Those are on the way. Buckets. Of course, it's got the wood grain console in it. Oh yeah, hopefully you can see that. 282 on your odometer. Factory dash. It's got an Retrosounds radio in it. The plug-ins underneath there. I think you can see that little wire hanging down. It's got some Autometer gauges, LED interior lighting in here. It's got an X-pipe dual exhaust system on it. Stock 10-bolt 336 rear end, I believe it was. It's a nice car, man. Pretty car. All spackle coated here in the trunk. That is a good looking car, man. I can see real nice underneath. Always gotta left some wax on there, guys. Like it's got all your GM seat belts in it. Again, this one looks a little more plush. That's hand stitched in there. Really nice. There's your plug-in I was talking about for your radio. Got a little wax on there. You can hear a little mini torque starter. Nice little cam to it. AC blows cold. Nothing crazy, but man, it runs good. That's just a nice car. Not much in there, just a fuel gauge in there. Gauges under there working. Car's holding good oil pressure. Show you them on the other side as well. Great sound. Gauges all working, radio works, blower motor works. We got to check the wipers. That's the one thing that did not come on. Steve's on vacation this week, but we'll have him take a look at them. Yeah, and make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. It's the best way to keep in touch with us, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video, guys. Boy, that is a pretty son of a gun right there, boy. great day, guys.